additional Facebook remarketing tips and tricks. Hey there, good friends. If there's one thing that we have learned throughout the years is to always keep on learning and experimenting. The only caveat of trying and experimenting is that you have to fail a lot along the way in order to find out what works and what doesn't. The good thing is that you discover lots of high-level tricks that you wouldn't have been able to find anywhere else otherwise. Here are some of the best tips and tricks that have worked for us over the years. Remarketing to specific landing page visitors. If there is one constant that you see across Facebook remarketing campaigns, is that they tend to target website visitors too broadly. While it is a good thing to set up a remarketing campaign to reach all website visitors, it is also a good practice to remarket to specific visitors on specific pages. For example, you can create remarketing campaigns to remarket to visitors of your sales pages. Now, it won't be enough to retarget them with ads, but to retarget them with highly targeted ads that are relevant to the people visiting a specific sales page. Remember to exclude converters. You have to always be on the lookout for those leads who have already taken an action, such as people that have read a piece of content, people that have clicked through certain affiliate links, and people who have purchased certain products. Once you identify those converters, you will have to exclude them from the campaigns where you were originally retargeting them on, and to add them to a different campaign with a different objective to drive a different type of conversion from them, which leads us to our following tip. Add a re-engagement stage to your remarketing funnel. The beautiful thing about Facebook remarketing is that it doesn't have to end after you have converted leads. However, you will see lots of remarketers neglecting leads after they have converted, thinking that they will come back on their own. The truth is that very rarely will they come back on their own, unless they are brand ambassadors or repeat customers. That is why you have to add re-engagement as the last stage in your remarketing funnel. What this means is that you will have to retarget leads with different remarketing campaigns after converting them on a previous campaign. Always split test your remarketing ads. We recommend you to create different variations of the same ad under the same campaign to track how they perform when targeted at the same audiences. This will allow you to optimize your remarketing ads based on what works best and to drive more conversions from that effort. Integrate your email marketing efforts with your Facebook remarketing efforts. Email keeps on being one of the most effective online marketing methods. And what better way to leverage its power than by integrating email with Facebook remarketing? Facebook allows you to import contacts from MailChimp, so you can simply sign up for a free MailChimp account, set up your mailing list there, and then to use the customer file option when creating a custom audience to import your subscribers to a custom audience on Facebook.